Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your crypto Calm app to the crypto Calm exchange. First, ensure you have both accounts set up and verified. Linking these platforms unlocks seamless transfers and advanced trading features. This process is designed to be straightforward, allowing you to manage your digital assets more efficiently. We will cover the essential steps to get your accounts connected and ready for use. Before linking, it is crucial that both your crypto Calm app and exchange accounts are fully verified. This involves completing the Know Your Customer, or KIC, process for each. Make sure you use the identical email address for both registrations. Additionally, enabling two-factor authentication on both platforms adds a vital layer of security to your digital assets. The simplest way to link is by signing up for the crypto Calm exchange as an existing app user. When prompted, enter the same email address registered with your crypto Calm app. You will then receive a confirmation email. Click the link within it to finalize the connection. This method often automatically links your accounts, streamlining the setup process significantly. Once your accounts are linked, you can enjoy instant and free transfers of cryptocurrencies between your crypto Calm app and the exchange. This enables you to quickly move funds to take advantage of the exchange's advanced trading features, such as limit orders. You can easily initiate transfers from either platform, giving you greater control and flexibility over your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.